Geom4.4, Reading to Learn Math. We're going to determine whether each statement is true or false based on a postulate or a theorem. If the statement is false, replace the underlined word or words to make the statement true. So here's part A. Two lines in a plane are cut by a transversal. A pair of corresponding angles is congruent, so the lines are parallel. That's true. Part B. Two lines in a plane are perpendicular to the same line. The two lines are congruent. Lines can't be congruent, but what they just said there makes the lines parallel. So that one was false. Part C. Two lines in a plane are cut by a transversal. A pair of consecutive interior angles is congruent, so the lines are parallel. This one's tricky. If the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, the lines will be parallel. If your consecutive interior angles are congruent, then they're both 90. And if they're both 90, that's supplementary as well. So this one is true, but a better word there for congruent would be supplementary. So that's kind of a really tricky one there. Part D. Two lines in a plane are cut by a transversal. A pair of alternate interior angles are supplementary, so the lines are parallel. You need those angles to be congruent, not supplementary. Number 2. Two lines in a plane are cut by a transversal. A pair of alternate interior angles are labeled with the expressions 8a plus 1 and 9a minus 2. What value of a will make the lines parallel? Well, they're alternate interior, so they need to be the same. So we're going to subtract 8a from both sides, and then we're going to add 2 to both sides. If a is 3, the lines will be parallel. What's the measure of one of the alternate interior angles? Take this a and plug it back in. So we'll do 9 times 3 minus 2. That'll give you 25. Part C. What is the measure of an angle that is supplementary to an angle whose measure you found in 2a? Explain your method for finding that measure. Well, we know one of the angles is 25 degrees, so just do 180 minus 25.